All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Here we are again on another knife video. This time, it's not an unboxing. It's not really a review. I've had this knife for years. Found it down in the garage. It's pretty beat up. It's rusted. Stuck in a drawer somewhere. It has glue on it. I think it almost looks like maybe like some heat glue. It's rusted. Surface rust. I'm gonna try to clean this up and make it look a lot better. Maybe not like new, but I'm definitely gonna get sharp. So what it is a Coast DX 340. It has a double lock technology, means it has a liner lock. The liner lock right there, so you can close the blade. But it also has this extra lock, so that's why they call it a double lock. I think what was that? The CRKT has something like that. I think it's called the M16, and basically it's extra precaution so it won't collapse on you. So, but anyways, so it has it's a 3.5-inch blade, 7 CR17 stainless. It's rusty and dirty, fairly unsharp, and I'm gonna bring it back to life and probably try to make it look new. If definitely sharp, but let's see what it weighs. It weighs. Let's see, turn this puppy on. You gotta go to ounces. Let's see. I got that extra lock on it. Couldn't shut it. All right. I got a weight of 3.8 ounces. So 3.8 ounces. We're gonna get this puppy looking good again. All right. I'll update you on the work. Bye. All right. I got a medium stone on, and I got a pretty good edge right now just with the medium stone. I do got a blemish on the tip of the edge. I really can't really see by camera, but I can see it. But it's pretty fairly sharp already with just a medium stone. See if I can get an edge here. That looked like cat. Of course, I won't be able to do it on camera. There we go. Well, this is just a medium stone. But anyways, we'll get a lot. We'll take it down real good. Yeah, so anyways, that's the medium stone. See if I strop it real quick, that might. Let's see if I can get it to go now. This got an edge on it, but not foam paper sharp. I mean, we'll go a little bit more, obviously. I'm gonna switch out this one with the fine one. We'll get it cutting good. It's already taking shape, though. The blade looking good. It's just a matter of time now. We'll go to turn it on hyperlink here, hyper speed for you guys to watch me, and I'll be back. Yeah, so back again. Got it sharp, pretty sharp with the fine stone. Now we'll go to the ceramic. I got some paper cutting. It's pretty sharp. I mean, not there. You can see it almost rips it still, but we'll get it going. Of course, I can't do it on camera. It won't. It's not. I don't think it's ready for it yet, but we'll get it going. It's not quite there. Yeah, I think I got a little wipe the blade off a little bit. Yeah. Well, nonetheless, it's ready to go to the next stone. So, but we're gonna go to the ceramic and make it better. Ceramic stone. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but this is what you're supposed to do with these puppies right here. You lay them flat on the surface and you tighten it up so there's no air gap, so it transitions the angle from the angle, which I'm at 25, and I like to start on the red side. That way I keep my stuff together, my thoughts together, and I usually sharpen at 25-degree angle. So then, as long as this piece right here is parallel on the table, flat with the table, that means you keep your angle right. So you got a consistent 25-degree angle. So and you know the drill. Just basically do this over and over again until you get the burr. I'm going to go to hyper. Alright, just finished up with the ceramic stone. It's pretty sharp. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. That's the ceramic stone. And remember, newspaper, when you're cutting newspaper, is pretty good. Let me see, but yeah, so what do you got here? I don't know if I got my autofocus on or not. Can't tell. But anyways, I got down to the ceramic stone. I don't know if I can see. I don't know if I can see any hair. Right, hear it. I think I'm shaving it. Yeah, I'm shaving. I can't really see it. I just see it popping. It's hair sharp. I mean, it's hair raising sharp. Hair popping sharp, I should say. But I got another stone to go to get it even sharper. Now, what you remember, this is only 7 CR17. It's not the best quality steel, but it could take an edge. Keeping it might be another story, but I'm just here to put the edge on and carry on. So I'm gonna switch it up and go to hyperspeed again. Thank you. All right, back to real time. Just finished with the sapphire stone, and she's sharp. She is sharp with no effort. Slides right through the paper. Yeah, that's what you want right there. You wipe it back off. It gets filled up with paper shards, and you just wipe it. And yeah, look at that right there. Boom. All right, there you go. All right, we gotta wipe it again. Oh, I think I already Let me get another swipe at it. Just gonna make, there it goes. Let's see what it does with the hair. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's shaving my hair. Let's see about this arm. Got too much shade here, you can't see. Yep, she's sharp. Alright. I think I just gotta wipe it down, put a little oil on it, and call it a day on this one. Wiped off the permanent marker off, and it's oiled up. I don't know how, I mean, it's a lot better than it was, but I don't know. It's not ever going to be new again. But let's see what it does when I put some oil on it and see what it looks like. Wipe some oil on it, make it look good. The blade looks fabulous. Got that glisten to it. Yeah. But I wiped all the, I don't know, glue and let's see. Just put some oil on this puppy and oil some things up. Wipe it off, see what we got. Remember, this is the one that at the beginning of the video that was rusted, and it still looks worn. I mean, it's not a new knife by any means, but it is a lot better than it was. So I get a focus. Look at that. Look at that blade on there. That cut. Yes. It's a different knife than it was about an hour ago. Yep. That's pretty daggone good. Yep, the Coast DX 340. I probably bought it at Home Depot 15 years ago. Forgot about it in a drawer and broke it out, and it's wouldn't say new again, but it ain't. It's sharper than some ones you get right new in the box, though. It's definitely sharper than it ever was, because I know Coast don't come out razor sharp. So yeah, not a bad looking knife. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.